Hi everyone, thanks again for joining me on Sealed for Good. Today I'm talking about peel and stick waterproof membranes and why they work. And many of you would have been accustomed to peel and stick membranes over the years. Some of the old timers that have been around, the more experienced heads, would have known this for decades. It's not something new, but traditionally it's always been about bitumen peel and sticks. And if you saw us with our launch last year on the BRW range, you would have seen how we identified and highlighted the big differences between the BRW range and a peel and stick bitumen membrane. But let's just talk about the peel and stick concept firstly. It's not for every application, but there are definitely applications where it can be of benefit, particularly for surfaces that are very dense or sealed. But more importantly, it gives the contractor the ability to use a sheet system and gain the speed, high quality and uniform film thickness without having to torch on and weld and use all those heating applications which are with some of the different types of sheet membranes that are out there. So from a peel and stick application, what it allows you to do, if you've got a very good product, you peel the release paper off, you put the membrane in place, and then you continue on with your overlap joints and the detailing as per the manufacturer's recommendations. Now the big thing about the BRW range when we launched that last year is we don't use bitumen. No carcinogenics, no flammables, and more importantly, no dangerous fumes, because with our system, we can use all our basic primers, the Gripset GP, the Gripset OP, the Gripset SP, the Express, the E60, the P10, you name it. We've got it as part of our system to be as simple as what you need on the surfaces that you're going to. And what that allows you with the BRW range is then when you are applying it, you can actually apply it to surfaces that traditionally you couldn't do with bitumen. More importantly, it's the whole way that we terminate that membrane point, because it integrates other trades very easily. There's no bleed, there's no softening, there's no going hard in the cold, and I can guarantee you the BRW sticks. So it's very, very simple to use. Those of you who have seen those videos of some of the contractors that have used our products have been blown away, and many of the people that come into the GAPP program have seen that when we actually train on how to use it, it's taken their mindset away from just a liquid contractor to how they can easily install a sheet system using the BRW range. So with the surfaces that you're applying it to, there are no limitations. We've got a system that goes with the primers. We just need to make sure there's a preparation method and process, and our data sheets and our training can help you with that. But you're not limited to only using it on something that could be concrete or masonry or that's a sealed surface. We can go over porous surfaces with our peel and stick systems, with our BRW range, using the correct primer which will guide you on. And the exciting thing about BRW is that there's two versions you've seen so far. That's just the start of what's coming. We've got more coming to this range this year, so stay tuned to that. So if you need more details on peel and stick systems, applications, maybe a job you've got going at the moment, call our 1-800-650-435 number or ask your Gripset contact that's local to you. And where you'd like to find the resellers that are selling the BRW range, we'll go to our website, gripset.com, put in your postcode, you can find the local reseller or get to a GAPP reseller and they'll help you with the BRW range. Remember, be part of that change, sealed for good. I'll see you next week.